Hello everybody and welcome. In this video, I will be showing you how to create your own Rouleau loops. Rouleau loops are used as a closure for buttons. It replaces buttonholes and is a great alternative if you have either a domestic machine that doesn't create buttonholes or if you only have an industrial machine. First of all, you're going to need a scrap of fabric. You'll need to rip the grain line back into it or find a piece that has the selvage still on it for reference. You're going to use a strip of paper approximately 2.5 centimeters wide. You'll need a line through it at a 45-degree angle. This line will be your grain line. The grain line can match either the warp or the weft thread, meaning along the selvage or at a 90-degree angle from it. You can measure the grain line, but here I'm using that right angled triangle to find the weft grain. You can then pin in place and cut out. It's important to cut Rouleau loops on the bias as it means the fabric can stretch and bend easily without roping. You will then fold the strip right sides together lengthways and then stitch down. The width I used was 1/4 of my machine's foot. However, at the beginning I made a half funnel shape. This makes it easier to pull the bulk through at the start. If you're turning through anything fine, this will help immensely. It's important too that you have a loop turner to pull it through. If you don't have one of these, you could maybe use a fine safety pin, but something this slim really needs a loop turner. And they have a little hook on the end that you can pull the fabric through with. Before you turn the strip through, clip off any excess seam. The seam should be clipped smaller than the width that you sewed, so it can fit between it nicely. Insert the loop turner in the flat side and catch the hook on the edge with the funnel side. Slowly pull the fabric through the loop, pulling small amounts at a time. Then you end up with a very thin tube. You can go ahead and cut off the thicker ends, and then you have a Rouleau loop ready to stitch in. Make sure when you stitch it in, you stitch over it multiple times to ensure it can handle the stress. Please remember to download the free PDF notes which you can reference in the future. Please also like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.